invite us out.
Bless you.
Bless you.
왜냐?
Magic shop. It's like some kind of shop.
Yeah.
And we give our trauma and we get
아이고, bless me.
제일 자주 시켜 먹는 배달 음식.